Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel again, your one-stop guide for everything related to CA exams. So in today's video we are going to discuss about CA Foundation BRS chapter. So actually this bank reconciliation statement is one of the easiest chapters, but still I have noticed students losing marks in this chapter. Not because this is tough, but because of some small silly mistakes. Most of the times I have noted that students just try to rote learn. Instead of applying the logic, they try to rote learn. Where if check is issued, just add. If check is deposited, subtract, so on. So we should not do like this. So in this video, I'll just take one simple example. And while solving it, I will show you a very easy method. So when you understand this method, you will never go wrong in BRS again. And we'll also discuss the most common errors the student make. So if you understand this concept, BRS will become super easy for you. So are you excited for this video? So guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more CA exam related strategies, updates and guidance. Also, many students ask me how to actually prepare for the CA Foundation exam effectively. So that's exactly why I have created this ebook, Best Strategy to Ace CA Foundation Exam. So it includes subject-wise guidance for all the 4 papers and past exam trends. That is, I have also included the important topics based on the past exam trends and common mistakes students make in each of the subjects, MCQ solving strategies, time management technique, and it also includes ready-made study and revision planners, and it also has mindset strategies and much more. So if you want a complete preparation strategy in one place, you can check the ebook through the link given in the description and also in the pinned comments below. So let's look at the question that we'll be solving today. So basically we have taken a small question here. So balance as per cash book rupees 10,000. Adjust the following. Check issued rupees 2,000 but not presented. Check deposited but not cleared rupees 3,000. Bank charges not recorded in cash book rupees 500. So find the balance as per passbook. So as this is the first video in this series, I have taken 3 simple examples. So please watch this video, and in case you like this explanation method and you want me to make more videos showing different adjustments, please let me know in the comments below. I will definitely do so. So here we will be preparing our BRS. And here in this tab I will be showing the rough working. So I will teach you one rough working method using which you can never go wrong in your BRS. So even in your exam also what you can do is, if this is your answer sheet and if you are preparing the BRS here, you can just draw a line here and right side here you can write the working note. You can just write rough workings. So since I won't be able to record all of it in the same screen, I am showing the rough working in completely another sheet. So in exam you can do it this way. Just draw a line here and you can write here rough working, and this working you can work out here. So this is the pro forma which I have written for bank reconciliation statement. Here we have the particulars and the amount. And we'll be starting with balance as per cash book. So let's see each of the adjustments now. So the first adjustment is check issued rupees 2,000 but not presented. So in your rough working part, you will have to note down like this. So first you will write cash book and then passbook. So one thing to always remember is cash book is your book and passbook is the bank books. So this you have to keep in your mind. And then just take a hypothetical balance. So here I have taken a hypothetical balance of 1 lakh for both cash book as well as passbook. So now let's see each of the adjustment. So first is check issued but not presented. So what happens in this case? When you issue a check, you will reduce the amount from your cash book, but the check is not yet presented. Hence, in passbook, no entry will be shown for that. So let's write down here, check issued. So when you issue a check, immediately you will deduct the amount from your cash book. So the amount is rupees 2000. So after accounting for this entry, in your cash book the balance will be 98,000, but in passbook there is nothing will be shown because the check is not yet presented. So in passbook the balance will be 1 lakh. So cash book balance is 98,000, passbook balance is 1 lakh. So if suppose you are preparing BRS here and you are starting with the cash book balance. So to arrive at the passbook balance, you will have to add back this 2000 rupees. So the same thing we'll do in our BRS here. So first we'll be showing the additions here. So add back check issued but not presented. Rupees 2000. So this is the first adjustment. Now let's see the next adjustment. Check deposited but not cleared. So now coming back to our rough working again, I'll just delete this. And here I have check deposited. So suppose you are running a business and you receive a check from your customer. So you have received the check and you have deposited the check in the bank. So you will increase the cash book amount by 3000. However, it is yet to be cleared. So in your passbook, there is no change in the balance. So now here if you have to prepare the BRS, your cash book balance is rupees 1,03,000 and passbook balance is rupees 1 lakh. And if you are starting from the cash book balance, to arrive at the passbook balance, you have to deduct rupees 3000. So that's what we'll be doing in our today's sum. So let's check deposited but not cleared, rupees 3000. Now let's see the last entry. Bank charges rupees 500 not recorded in cash book. So most of the time students just ignore this entry. So bank charges are directly charged by the bank. So let's see how the bank will account for this. So for now I will just delete this. So bank charges 500. So what happens is the bank directly deducts this 500 rupees from your account. But in your books it wouldn't have been deducted yet. So now if we see here, in your passbook 500 has got deducted. Hence the passbook balance is 99,500 and your cash book balance is rupees 1 lakh. So now if we are preparing BRS here and if we want to start from the cash book, we'll have to deduct this 500 rupees to arrive at the passbook balance, right? So the same way we'll be deducting that bank charges here. So bank charges not recorded in cash book. Now let's see the final balance as per our passbook after making all these entries. So balance as per cash book rupees 10,000. Check issued but not presented. We'll be adding this 12,000. Then from this 12,000 we'll be deducting these two. Check deposited but not cleared and bank charges not recorded in cash book. Hence the final balance as per passbook will be 8,500. So one important thing while solving BRS is do not mug up the rules. Just ask yourself one question. Which book has recorded the entry? And then depending on which book has recorded the entry and whether the other book entry is less or more, you will have to add or subtract. That's it. BRS is sorted for you. And if you follow this rough working method which I just showed you, you will never go wrong in BRS. So if this video made BRS easy for you, please hit the like button and also share it with your friends. And do check out the ebook link in the description and the pinned comments below. Also subscribe to my channel for more simple strategies relating to CA exams. All the best with your preparation and I will see you all in the next video.